Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here with another update with those, I don't know, what do we call them? We call them poop logs. That's what, right?
I don't know, am I
Poop,
here?
poop logs and fireballs, guys. That's what we got. So
Hi!
this is Miss Ramblin Bob is here. We are out here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we are out underneath the stars. Boy, you can't see anything, huh?
No.
Okay, we are literally, let me see if I can turn this off real quick here.
Yeah.
We are literally out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't even see. This phone doesn't work good. You can't even see the
it.
star. Yeah, you can hear it, guys. Here, there's a duck out there in the woods here.
That's not a duck.
Probably a Bigfoot. There's a Bigfoot out there, guys.
That's a Bigfoot.
Okay, so these are the poop logs and the fireballs. Now we burned all the fire logs. Well, there's actually two in there. This is the fireball, I guess, and you can see they're
Paper ball.
yeah, but
Yeah.
paper ball. They're really light, guys. Look at this. But also watch this. See how hard they are? Like literally hard as a rock. So these things being very, very light will work perfectly inside there. So as you can see, they're all burning really good.
If you remember, we made a video making these.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, I had my finger in the way there for a
Oh.
second. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
But these basically, guys, if you want to have like emergency heat, heat source, these are great for camping.
Yeah.
The
Wood burning stoves.
Yeah, wood burning stove would be great, guys. If you had, because remember, it's just paper. And if you look close here, I'm going to turn off the light. I want you to look close and notice what you don't see. See how perfect the flame is? Okay,
Yeah.
so what you don't see is those little, I don't know, like, was it amber or a spark or something like that?
Amber.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah.
see those coming up, guys. And normally that comes up with either wood or there was one. See that one?
Yeah. That's probably the wood, though. We're blaming the wood on
Yeah, it could be because
Yeah.
there's one piece of wood right
Oh,
there.
there's a bug in your arm.
But normally you would not have that, guys.
Yeah.
Normally you would have that if you
Yeah,
just
yeah,
burn
yeah.
paper, it would
Yeah.
kind of float away, and it's not
Yeah.
safe. These are very safe. So if you just tossed a bunch in there like this, and just let them burn like that, that'd be a great source of emergency heat. Yeah, emergency. Now there's I think three big reasons.
Yeah.
Number one is they're very light, so they're very easy to store.
Yeah.
So you can put them like in a bag. You see way over there. I don't know if you can see that. Where's that spotlight thing? Give me that spotlight thing right down there. All right, guys. So if you guys see that way over there, see that? That's a bag of basically fireballs. You can see them inside there.
Paper ball.
And then in that one is all like fire starter stuff. But you could put those in a tote like that or a bag like that, and then you can definitely store them like in your basement or your cellar or something like that for years, right?
Yeah.
I mean, forever, really.
Yeah.
Because there's no expiration date with them, and paper will burn forever. Basically, not forever, but eventually, if you want to burn it, it'll burn forever.
Yeah.
But to have this kind of heat, guys, I mean, that's you're talking thousands of BTUs coming out of there. That would warm you up.
Mm-hmm.
Or like we are in the middle of nowhere, literally. I mean, we're in the woods here.
I'm warm.
I'll show you guys. Check this out. We're like literally in the middle of the woods here, guys. So I wish you could see the stars, huh?
And now I ask you, what do you see?
What?
I see green. You get it?
Yeah.
It's from
Yeah.
It's from that movie, Great Outdoors.
Oh yeah. Fair.
They're looking out into the nothing, and he goes,
Yeah.
"I see green."
No, I think he said trees.
No,
I
green.
see trees.
No, he said green.
He said green?
I think
Okay.
he said green.
I thought he said trees. And then remember the other guy's like, I see a shopping mall. I see a blah blah blah. Yeah, and the other guy's like, I see trees.
He said green.
I thought he said trees. Guys,
I think
let us know,
green.
was it green or trees? But back to these fireball things, guys. These are great. Okay, the first one was the weight, right? You can store them forever.
Yeah.
And you can store them, guys, in either a bag like that or in a tote like that. And you can literally store them like forever.
Yeah.
Literally, there's no expiration date on it. The other thing is, guys, wood, if you bring wood into your house,
Yeah.
it always ends up bad.
Yeah.
Because there's bugs and all kinds of problems with it. Remember, these are custom-made paper balls. So there's nothing in them to start with.
No.
There's nothing that would burrow in them, and because there's
Just junk
like
mail.
junk mail, guys. Look at, like here. You want to try to stab one?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so
Let me get this.
guys, we have this stabber thing, this poker stabber thing.
Yeah.
And she's literally gonna try to poke one and make a hole in it. Now, let me zoom in here and see if you can even make a dent in there.
I'm putting all my weight on it.
Can you get it? All right, go ahead. Okay, so let's see how far that went in. Now you tried as hard as you can?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at that little tiny hole in there.
That was a lot.
So that was really,
That's the first time I've been able to do that.
yeah. And then just to kind of show you guys, I'm gonna really gonna kind of give it some here. You ready? 1, 2,
Yes.
3.
Called it.
Okay. Yeah, it's hard to get them. All right.
If you.
Yeah. So guys, that's how hard they are. They're literally unbreakable.
Yeah.
Like you'd really have to really beat them up. But remember, they're light. They're so light. You could just throw them in there and let them burn. Now we figured one of those little balls would go anywhere between, man, what do you think?
I don't know.
30 minutes to 5 hours, somewhere in there.
And if you need a new carnival game, that's it. Right
Oh
there.
yeah, fair enough. You throw the ball towards the.
Oh no, I meant like
thing.
trying to pierce something. No one's gonna get that.
Oh, that way, yeah. You're never gonna get that, yeah. But guys, so it works. It really works. That video that we saw online.
Yeah.
That had about what was it? Had like millions of views, right?
Yeah.
Millions. So I thought, okay, well this has to work, right? This guy can't make a video with millions of views, and it doesn't work. So we tried it. As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere, literally, and
we wanted to
we
see
have a
if
fire.
they worked.
Yeah, look at that, guys. We have a fire full of paper balls.
Yay.
There's no smell.
No.
There was 3 things I said. So one is the weight.
Yeah.
One is the lack of bugs.
Yeah.
So bugs can't burrow in there. As we tried to smash these ones, oh, they're all gone. A bug can't get inside there, guys. They'd really have to work to get inside there. Here, you can see those fireballs over there? They almost look like meatballs. They're cooking meatballs. And the best thing is, after a while, when they burn, if you poke them, they turn to ashes, right?
Yeah.
But they
just kind of poof.
Yeah,
and
but
disappear.
But
they don't get in the air.
Yeah, they don't go in the air, which is that's key.
I think
Here,
they're heavy
watch
enough.
this. Yeah, see? So I think that it holds them together and it burns and it doesn't allow the paper to go up in the air, and I think that's the key. Because if you were to burn this in your wood burning stove, you wouldn't want that in your chimney, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't want that. But seeing is believing, guys. It took us a long time to make this video. It takes about 3 to 5 days to dry those out in a very controlled room at about was it 50 or 60% humidity.
Yeah.
But 3 to 5 days, and we've been using that Medea cube, which is really good, that 20 pint.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get another one of those. But I just wanted to do an update, guys, just to show you guys of how awesome these things work for emergencies. Can you think of anything else that people can use these for?
I just like that they're lightweight and you can carry them, and it's not heavy like wood is, you know, because wood can be really heavy.
Like,
if you want to get a bunch of it.
Imagine if you had a baggie of those or a backpack and you were a hiker.
Yeah, emergency.
Yeah, and you just popped out 3 or 4 of those little balls and made a fire real quick with a couple pieces of twigs or something.
Yeah.
And then you would have enough heat to kind of go for the next 4 or 5 hours to get you warm.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, there's lots of little situations that really can come in handy with stuff like that. I know it's a weird video, guys, because we're in the middle of the dark here, but like I said, we are literally down here with the frogs.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's Bigfoot out there. You guys hear him? There's a Bigfoot out there, guys. No, I don't hear Bigfoot. Okay, but you guys gotta watch. See, he talks every time I stop talking.
He likes to talk with you, not.
Right. And as you can see, all the was that a dragonfly or a bug or something?
Those are bugs. They're coming to your light.
That was a big one. Okay. All right, guys. Well, we just want to do a quick update video. They do work, and they work fantastic. They're light. They're very easy to store.
Yeah.
And they're free.
Yeah.
The water you can catch with the rainwater. The paper is all your junk mail that you got, and they send you tons of it, and nobody wants that stuff, right?
No.
Nobody wants it, unless I win the Publishers Clearinghouse. I'll sign that one.
I don't think you're gonna win.
Or a rebate. No, I don't think I'm gonna win either. But other than that, guys, I think we'll leave it at that. It works very, very well. It's very easy to make. The rainwater's free. Oh, and guys, if you're gonna do the junk mail, make sure that you don't put that little plastic window where the address is. Make sure to take that part out. You don't want to burn plastic for obvious reasons. It's very toxic. It's bad stuff. Yeah, so don't do that. But, National Enquirer and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Right in the pit. So, all right, guys, we'll ramble on. Be safe, and we'll see you next time here at
Ramblin'
Bob
Bob
Reviews.
Reviews.
Bye, guys.